I think the first thing we noticed was water leakage. The most visible symptom was all the phosphorescence coming out. In fact, we had phosphorescence dripping from the ceiling onto cars. And we were considering putting in French drains literally all the way around our entire building. It apparently was not drained properly from the beginning. And when Design Build came up with oxycrete as a possible solution, I was more than willing to give it a shot. And I've been very pleasantly surprised and happy with the results.